Hello, welcome back. On this here episode, I'll be showing you how to make this board smooth or any type of wood surface smooth using a sander which I got from ShopRite. And guys, another thing about this thing is going to be so smooth and clean. For this project, you need a sander. This sander with sandpaper. You'll need a board or surface that you're going to be sanding on. You need varnish, and you'll need a paintbrush for that. Yes, and one nice thing about this power sander is just a plug and play. You can just insert the sanding paper nice and easy. Just cut it to the size of it and just clip it on the side and the other side. And then what I started with here, I just started sanding it on the top, and then I went to the side. After doing the top, it was so smooth. And then you can just make any type of patterns or waves that you want. Yeah. And please guys, do not forget to sand the edges like what I'm doing right now. Sand the edges, so that you must not get cut or must get picked by wood. Because yo guys, yeah. So you saw what I did with those things, ne? I sandpapered them, and this is what they look like. They are so smooth. Like not even any pieces are coming. Look at this. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have 3 of them. I either can make a table, a small table, either can make a plate, whatever I want to make with it, ne? And I still have my thing. I still have to just power tools, guys. So what I'm gonna do right now, I have some varnish and my old brush, ne? I'm gonna paint the first one. I'll see how it looks. Then if it looks nice, we're gonna get away with the second one and the third one. So guys, let's go. I'm coming, ne? Speak of the devil. How you doing?
I'll make the devil.
Okay, cool. This is like one of the things that I've done, and I hope you guys like what I'm done with the other side. So I'm gonna wait for them to dry for a bit, and then I'm gonna do this side and also the other side. Okay, let's get it. Like I said, this machine is a plug and play. So here I did a table, and then sanded the table, and after that I painted the table. So here it goes. And one thing I like that about the whole job is not wearing a mask. Yo, the dust got right into me. So yeah, yo, these are some of my friends. Reminder again, do not forget the edges. I won't lie to you, this varnish is making a change in this table.
arali data dzavo dzichidzorera fera vaka network isiyone rine va-at affordable technologies rina thandululo 10 gig ya masiari na 10 gig ya vusiku nga 129 randa nga mwedzi. Asi muloro hezwi kha va iwane zvino nga u fonela kana va to rumela whatsapp kha 083 453 0972 ofisini ndi 087 822 1271 kana va to renga online kha www.affordabletech.co.za. arali va chitoda data dzi fareyaho kha va the 80